Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Checking in on Apple, so we have a bearish reversal doji after another push to the upside. As we know, we have 10 days in a row of higher lows since earnings. That pattern has not broken yet. Under normal conditions, we would absolutely expect a red day tomorrow, but obviously with the market at all-time highs, we are not at normal conditions. So I'm watching XLK and SPY for signals of a bearish reversal candlestick on the daily time frame, and that would make me a lot more confident if we saw those signals in playing Apple bearish. So right now, 134.62 is support. The next target on a pullback, we'll be looking for 133.25. A red day tomorrow will confirm this bearish reversal candlestick, but I would not be confident unless we see a red day and a break of the higher low pattern, which would be 134.62. So a bearish reversal candlestick on XLK, a bearish reversal candlestick on SPY, and a red day for Apple tomorrow would be all stars aligning for a short-term pullback on Apple. The weekly chart is still all bulls all the time. There's nothing showing anything otherwise. We are in full-on blue sky breakout mode above the upper Bollinger Band. The technology sector, let's look at it. XLK, it's on absolute fire. We have now seen 10 green days in a row. And again, we're closing at the high of the day the past 3 days. There is no sign of slowdown. We know a pullback is coming. It will be normal and healthy to consolidate after this move, but we don't see any signal yet. And once we see that signal, we will be more confident taking Apple on a bit of a pullback. So on the 5-minute time frame, there was a bearish signal here on Apple. We had a double top at the high of the day, 136.27. We formed support at 135.57, and then we formed another double top, 136.27 to the penny. As soon as we broke the low of that consolidation of 135.57, that's your bear signal. That's a double top and then a lower low. And the bears controlled the day for the next 2.5, 3 hours. We did see recovery at the end of the day, giving us that doji with the lower wick. But by the time that support broke, 135.57 and hitting the low of the day, 134.62, that's a 95-cent drop over 3 hours, which would give some decent gains to the downside. So if we were having some weakness in the technology sector and the S&P 500, we likely would not see this kind of recovery at the end of the day. But as long as the market is favoring the bulls are going to be able to easily recover. So lots to be watching tomorrow on the different sectors and Apple individually. We know consolidation is coming in the near term. Let's see if we get that signal by breaking the higher low pattern on the daily. I appreciate you watching. See you soon.